What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and tutorial on the Skullcandy Crusher Evos. Now, these are Bluetooth headphones that have incredible bass and customizable sound. Now, you can find this item at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. As always, I only feature products I buy or would like to buy. This gives the channel more credibility and appeal because we feature items that interest me and change the way we live. Don't have time to watch the whole video? We're now a podcast you can find on multiple platforms by searching for Pixels Cracked. You can also support the podcast by making a small monthly donation. And if you are listening to this on a podcast, you can find the YouTube channel by searching for Pixels Cracked as well. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. We have the headphone storage pouch, headphones themselves, aux cable, USB-C charging cable, and product information. So let's talk design elements. First, we have the headphone storage pouch with black and gray accents. There is also a black Fast-X strap for securing the headphones in the pouch that doubles as a carry-in handle. Next, we have the inside of the pouch, which features soft fabric material to protect the headphones from scratches. Two pockets are also included on the inside, which are convenient places to store the cables and other items. Next, we have the Bluetooth headphones in black with gray accents. Gray cushiony padding is built into the head strap for comfort. These headphones also expand and shorten smoothly to accompany varying head sizes. The ear pads are also wide and deep for a comfortable fit and removable for cleaning or replacement. Next, we have the multifunctional buttons, which are raised, shaped, and textured for just the right amount of accessibility. The orange color-coded power button serves as power and pairing by either holding for 3 seconds or 5 seconds respectively. Next, we have the play and pause button, which also functions as an answer or end call button. If it's pressed twice, it also triggers the assistant. There are also independent volume up and down buttons, which also function as track forward and track back if pressed and held for 3 seconds. The real audio pleasure is in the adjustable haptic bass slider, which smoothly adds or removes bass. These headphones also feature a color-changing LED indicator that changes between magenta, red, and blue, and a female system voice. Next, we have the aux cable, which has squared ends. Somehow, Skullcandy still managed to fit the skull icon on both ends of the cable. This cable is long, which will prove useful in many situations. Finally, we have the charging cable. Again, we have the Skullcandy logo on both ends for consistency. The USB-C Type-N plugs into the headphones. So let's talk functionality. First, the headphones are manageable when it comes to weight. The Evos fit great around the head and stay in place when nodding your head to beats. The ear padding is firm and thick, muffling outside noises. This means ear sweat is possible in warmer environments, but the pads are removable for cleaning, drying, replacement, or customization. I added a replacement ear pad set to the Amazon storefront for those who are interested. When it comes to a quick removal solution, the headphones also fit snug around the neck. The ear cups rotate 180 degrees with favorable resistance, while each arm folds about 90 degrees for storage or laying flat. When using the headphones via cable, they don't need to be powered on for audio, but some functions are lost in a powered off state. Functions can be enabled by powering on the headphones while they're still connected with a cable. Pairing is quick and easy, comparable to other earbuds and headphones. It's important to note that you can't pair these if you have the aux cable plugged in. This may require a power on and off cycle to enter pairing mode after the aux cable has been removed. The Evos also work with a Skullcandy companion app to personalize your audio experience with a personal sound profile. This hardware uses technology called AudioDo that analyzes your left and right hearing and makes adjustments to optimize audio for you. The app software can override the headphones' hardware buttons for quick changes. Preloaded modes include music, podcast, and movie. Bass on these headphones is referred to as sensory bass. However, I prefer to call it sensory pleasure. The haptic bass slider gives you just the right vibration and knock, and it works very well. You can either remove bass completely, add some bass, or go all out on bass. This creates a sensation of feeling the track. But these are also great for watching video like sci-fi shows on Netflix. Seeing a spaceship coming in or taking damage and having the bass increase and correspond to the action creates a completely new viewing experience. Not everything was perfect though. Triggering the assistant and performing voice commands via button were inconsistent. Unpairing and pairing the headphones again improved performance, but there were still similar problems. I also tried to use the Evos as a headset for Xbox and Stadia with no luck. However, I only used these for a day so far and haven't had a chance to troubleshoot them. That being said, I'm hoping to find a solution. When it did come to phone calling though, that seemed to work just fine. Finally, we have battery. The Crusher Evos are rated at 40 hours of runtime and feature a 10-minute rapid charge feature that gives you an estimated 3 hours listening time. Lastly, these headphones are tile enabled for easy find-in via signal strength or tone once the Tile app is downloaded. So final thoughts. These headphones look and feel great. The included pouch is a convenient storage solution that also protects the Crusher Evos. Now we did run into some issues, but I'm hoping to figure those out with extended use. Now one of the things I would have liked to see in the Crusher Evos for their price would be smart sensors that would know when you put the headphones on or take them off, and that would either play the music or pause the music respectively, like other earbuds and headphones similar to the Pixel Buds. All things being said, we'll look to cover this hardware in more detail with upcoming videos. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel and podcast. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support us is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe or follow button. Now, liking and subscribing are important. Those are ways to vote on whether you like the video or the podcast. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You